How to invite your Facebook friends to like your page. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on pages. Now tap on the page you want to change. Now tap on switch. Now tap on the profile. Now wait for some time and tap on three dots. Now click on invite people to connect. Now tap on invite friends. Now select your friends. Now tap on send invites. Tap on continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.